Spectrum Xumo is a free ad-supported streaming service bundled with Spectrum TV. You can cancel it online easily. First, log into your Spectrum account. Visit spectrum.net or use the Spectrum app and enter your username and password. Next, navigate to My Account, then Services, and select the TV section. From there, find and select Manage Add-ons or directly search for Xumo. You should see an option to cancel or remove Xumo. Choose your preferred option. Confirm your selection. Since Xumo is a free add-on, there are no fees involved. The change takes effect immediately, streamlining your viewing experience. This method is the fastest and most convenient way to remove Xumo, reflecting Spectrum's focus on digital self-service. While online cancellation is generally smooth, some users may encounter issues like account verification errors. If this happens, try using the Spectrum app or the mobile site as alternatives. Avoid calling customer support unless absolutely necessary, as hold times can be lengthy, averaging 20 to 30 minutes, according to Spectrum's reports. Remember, canceling Xumo only removes the streaming service and its associated channels from your guide. It does not affect your core Spectrum TV service. No early termination fees apply, since Xumo is free. Two-factor authentication, added in early 2025, may require an extra step for login, so be prepared for this verification process. If problems persist, ensure your Spectrum account details are up to date. By 2026, AI chatbots might further automate this process, but for now, following these steps ensures a hassle-free cancellation experience.